Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Josefa Aleman's house here in Lilburn, Georgia. Kind of give you guys an overview of the roof. Now, last time I was here with y'all's adjuster, we had a total, I think, of 76 damaged shingles. Obviously, you've got areas of exposed decking. We didn't count towards the damage, obviously. The sliding shingles from install. You can see how a lot of these shingles right here were installed very improperly. You also got a lot of soft spots on the roof. Got a sunken decking over there. Got sunken decking right here. And obviously this wasn't calculated into the damage totals, but I think it's important to note that while repairing some of these damaged shingles, you're gonna come across non-nailable surfaces. You're gonna come across uneven shingle exposures on a lot of these. But the biggest thing is there's a lot of widespread wind damage. So today I'll be removing one of these shingles that's damaged, and I'll be replacing it with a new shingle. You guys want us to use this tool, so I'll be using that for the repair. Here's the damaged shingle that I'll be replacing today. As you can see, hard crease right there. I tried to find a shingle that wasn't near any components, ridges, eaves, rakes, and obviously not around any shingles with different exposure. So I'm gonna put you guys down, let you guys follow along. Ooh, here is a shingle condition before we start. Alrighty, guys. Put this up here. All right, I'm gonna let you guys follow along. Now, I am gonna unseal these shingles with a normal tool. Now, this wasn't really made to unseal these and pull up nails, but I will hammer them back in with that tool like y'all are requesting. So guys, just to unseal the shingles here. Alrighty, shingles unsealed now, guys. Let's take these nails out. Looks like this nail's overdriven. Already protruding through the shingle, so that won't be a problem. Not seeing any nail on this one. There's probably two up here, or none up here. Okay, didn't see any nails into that one either. Go here. I'm not seeing any other nails. Okay. Looks like that had 4 nails somewhere, but there it is right there. Okay, well, get all this debris. Put the new shingle in. Alrighty guys, so that is the nail fully hammered in with the roof snake. What would you guys like me to do now? Obviously, probably lift the shingle and hammer the nail in the rest of the way. Here's the result of the roof snake right here. Okay, I'll go ahead and pull it out for you guys and we'll try again. Okay, let's try this again. All right, nail into the shingle, right? Nail into the shingle, or nail into the roof snake. Okay, let's put it on the nail line. Right, again. That's fully hammered in with the roof snake. So now I'm gonna have to lift this up and hammer it down. All right, now we got 6 more to go. Okay, again. Okay, this is silly. All right. I gotta lift it up and hammer it. All right. This must be just fun for everybody. Okay, last one, guys. With your roof snake. Alrighty, guys. Your shingle in place. Now I could hear a lot of these granules that are now loose from this repair falling off as I'm hitting it with the roof snake. And you can kind of see where they've started to fall off at the top of these shingles. If I were to very lightly rub my hand across these shingles, you can see all the loose granules. Now next windstorm, rain, any kind of weather is going to knock these granules off. As you can see, creasing all the way across these shingles when they hit the point of resistance from the shingle above it. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys, just in case the quality of the video isn't the best. But thank you for your consideration.